Assalamu alaikum. I am Mavish Faisal from Guard Public Secondary High School 1. I am teaching about computer studies for class 5. Syllabus include in first term 2020. Chapter number 1, more about word processing. Chapter number 2, generation of computer. Objectives we will cover in first chapter are: define word processing, introduction to main parts of MS Word, describe the features of word processor, using areas of word processing, and WizByte. A word processing program is used to format a document where your text can be formatted with the help of different tools. For example, if you want to increase your text size, if you want to decrease your text size, you can make your text colorful, you can insert the shape, you can insert the different pictures, we can do easily in a word processor. It is an application software. It's created for a specific purpose where you complete your task with the help of different tools. Like our documents can be added, saved and printed easily. Now student, this is very important slide because in this slide we discuss about introduction to main parts of MS Word. As you know, introduction is very important before using any software. It tells you about the main part. The first left option you can see is quick access, where you can use save, undo and redo option. These all options are in tab as well. But if options are in front of your document so that you can access all options quickly, you do not need to go find out in any tab. The second one is document name. When you save your file with a specific name in any software, so that name will be appear on this bar. That's why it is called title bar. Now comes on tabs. The tabs mean button or option in an application. Right corner options you can see they are minimize, maximize and close. So you can minimize your document, maximize your document and close your document quickly. Then you can see horizontal ruler, which is upside on your document. Then left ruler, it is vertical ruler. The purpose of ruler is change a page layout according to your choice. The second last option is a vertical scroll bar. The purpose of this option is to move your page up and down easily. And then comes on the last one, it's a status bar. That means you have to take the whole information about your document. Let's discuss about feature of word processor. Alignments, bullets, insert, spell checker, orientation, text wrapping, page layout, gutter margin. In this slide, we are discussing about feature of word processor in detail. Number 1, alignment. As you know that alignment means you can arrange your text, paragraph and your heading in a different way. Alignment is the arrangement of text line in a paragraph. Text can be aligned to the left of the page by default. By default means when you open your software, you can see your cursor always blink on the left side. If you want your text in a center or your heading in a center, so you can also be place your heading and your paragraph in a center of the page. Select all text and press center option. If you want type Urdu text, you can set your cursor position on the right side. When text is aligned to the both left and right margin, by adding extra space between words, it is justified. In this picture, you can see alignment options: left, center, right, and justify. These are called alignment buttons. Before I am going to next slide, I want to show you bullet options, which are upside of alignment options. The second feature of word processor is bullet. Numbering style bullets, alphabetic style bullets, Roman style bullets, and picture style bullets. Why do we use a bullets in our document? When we introduce an item in a list or some important information within a document so that the reader can identify the key points and facts easily. It always shows individual line. You can see in this picture we have a different style bullets over here. Now student, if you want to make your document attractful, so you can insert pictures in your document. So you can use a clip art option. First you can click on insert menu and then click on clip art option. After clicking, a clip art option appear to the right side of the document. Whatever picture you want insert in your current document, click on that picture or write name and then click go. The specific picture will be appear on your current document. Spell checker is the also option in MS Word that correct a spelling error from your document. Click the review tab, then click spelling and grammar option. If your document has a mistake, so it will correct automatically when you click OK. Now student, in this slide we review of today's lecture. Define word processing, introduction, the main part of MS Word, features of word processor, alignments, bullet, insert clip art, and spell checker. Students, hope you understand lecture 1. This is your first assignment. In this we have a 5 choose the best answer. You can see on the slide. You have to copy out into foolscap sheet with the correct answer. In this slide we have the 3 choose the best answer. In this slide we have 2 more choose the best answer. It is continued and question and answer. Question number 1, describe briefly word processor. Question number 2, what is alignment feature? Question number 3, what is bullet features? So students, these all questions are in your computer handout. So you must learn and write on the foolscap sheet. Thank you.